Yes, I am a physician, but I also have always been willing and open to not just traditional medicine,
Yeah.
but to alternative and holistic, but had not really learned, of course, that much about those areas in medical school, making it more and more expensive to treat an outcome that could have been prevented. That whole mindset has to be changed. And I think that we're kind of moving in that arena, and understanding that in and of itself, if you start off the right way,
Yeah.
you're going to prevent the diabetes. You're going to prevent the heart disease. So I think that they're seeing that and realizing that, all of this illness is weighing on the economy.
What would you tell that mom that feels like it should be covered by insurance and I'm not going to do anything that my oncologist doesn't recommend and it's not covered by insurance? What would you tell that person?
Well, I mean, one thing, I think if they're saying they're not going to do it because it's not covered by insurance, definitely brings up the whole financial aspect of it. And that's something that and you even said in the beginning of this talk about you want to take care of yourself, because if you don't, then you're not even available to take care of your children. I feel definitely more mental clarity and more focus. I feel empowered because I've learned how to minimize my stress and how that stress affects my body. And the empowerment comes from, a lot of the suggestions that even you have given, the grounding, the breathing, the listening to tapes when you're tapes of yourself when you're having, procedures done or things of that nature. So the empowerment is really one of the main things that I walked away. Empowerment, being more educated about food, about shopping. I mean, I've enjoyed really learning all of this and being able to put it together, and things that I didn't know or understand. I won't say that I'm a expert, but I feel a little bit more knowledgeable and know that there's resources that I can go to and even improve my knowledge more. And I appreciate the coaching, and like I said, in the support, because it's not easy, as you know, and I would say it's not easy, but to know that you have a supportive team or a supportive group of people working to help you and cushion you and help you get to where you want to go is very important. And also remembering, that the team remembers that you're human. No one, I never felt, even when I may fall a bit behind, the little reminders, I never felt like I was being admonished in any way. It was more to support and say, okay, is there anything that we can do to help, or you can do this, and that's important.